Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. For today's tutorial, I wanted to show you how I got this look right here using all of my IPSY GLAM bag products for the month of December. So if you'd like to see what I got in my bag and how I got this look right here, don't forget to subscribe down below and keep on watching. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you what I got in my IPSY GLAM bag for the month of December. So inside it says, be merry, be bright, be bold, be you. This is the bag I received this month. It's super shimmery, super pretty. Love it. Inside I also received this Tinct Cosmetics. This is the nail lacquer, and this is the color right here. This is actually the color I have on my nails right now as well. You can see it's super pretty. Next inside we have some hairspray by Nexxus as well. This is always very useful. This says comb through finishing mist, so I'll probably use this afterward as well. We have the Catrice eyeshadow. This is in the color Luminous Lilac. It's really pretty color. We also have the Ciate glitter flip, and this is a really pretty lip gloss. It says mini glitter flip in the color Infamous. This is the color right here, very pretty. So this is the Laritzy Cosmetics Dew Pot, and this is the color. And last but not least, I got a brush here, and this is from Farah, I'm assuming. It's really nice. I like how nice and soft this is. It's a really nice big blending brush. It says it's number 35E. This design here is really nice and sleek. Really nice. And I love like the little pointed edge. It's just very fancy looking. So very nice brush. So I'm actually going to be using the blush colors that are right here. I'm going to be taking a range of these colors here just to be able to kind of put down a nice soft pink base, as well as using the neutral brown colors that are on this row as well. And then I'm going to be dipping into the purple that they provide as part of the IPSY GLAM bag. So I'm going to be taking just a soft peach pink color right here, tapping off the excess using the brush that they did provide. And I'm going to just apply that onto my crease, just so that everything can tie nicely together, since again all throughout the face there will be pinks and purples. And this brush so far very good. It's really soft. It's grabbing enough pigment, as you can see, which is really good. And it doesn't feel harsh at all on the eyelid, so really good. Okay, so I'm just doing circular motions now throughout, just kind of really blend that color in, so we have a nice kind of fresh base of pink. Now I'm going to be going in with the brown shade, and this is just a regular brown bronzer shade, and I'm going to just take that a little lower on the crease, kind of just deepen up the outer edge of the crease right here. Now to add a bit more of pink color, I'm going to take a light pink shade. Again, these are all blush colors that I'm using. That's why I love this palette so much, because it's a lot of eyeshadow colors as well as blush colors. And I'm going to concentrate this color right in the center, and then I want to just sweep it across the entire crease. Just like that. So you can see it's kind of just adding a bit more pink shade onto the crease. Okay, so now that the base is on, I'm going to be going in with the Catrice eyeshadow, and this is the color that I did receive in my IPSY GLAM bag. I'm going to be taking this color right here. Again, this is how it looks on the inside. Super pretty color, a luminous lilac. I'm going to be taking some with the same brush, taking enough, packing it on, tapping off the excess, and I'm going to be going right on to my eyelid. So pretty. This handle, by the way, is really nice and smooth. I'm really liking it. Let me just pack on some more color. And you can pack on as much or as little as you like. As you can see now, I'm concentrating the color right on the center of my eyelid. And I'm just really just kind of pressing onto my eyelid softly. I'm obviously not, jamming it in there, but just very softly. Kind of just pack the color on. And I love this because it has really nice kind of silver reflex in it. It's really reflective against the light, and it's really pretty, this color. Okay, and now I'm going to go back into that bronzy shade as well as that pink shade that we used earlier, and I'm just going to apply some onto my lower lash line. So right, I'm gonna apply some right underneath, just kind of smooth out that lash line. I'm gonna just add a bit more pop, just like that. And I'm gonna just add a quick wing liner and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've added a wing liner as well as tightlined my eyes as well, and added some violet voss lashes. I'm loving these lashes. First time actually wearing violet voss lashes, and they're really, really pretty, so loving it. So on to the next product. So the next product is the Laritzy cosmetic, taking a bit on my ring finger. This is really pretty. These are really, really soft feel onto the face. It doesn't feel sticky at all, and almost feels as though it dries powdery as well. Really pretty. I'm impressed with this. I was actually not sure what to think about this product because I've never really used a duplicate as a highlighter, but it is really pretty. I'm really impressed. I'm really happy. I'm gonna add a bit on my cupid's bow. Tip of my nose, just gonna tap them on, as well as the bridge of my nose. I can get some color on here and add it onto the inner tear duct of my eyes, just to give it that nice little pop right here. Super pretty color. I'm gonna try that right now. This is a very interesting dome applicator. If you can see, it kind of curves inward and goes up. Looks almost like a shoe. It's really interesting, but I'm assuming it's made to kind of really hold on to your lips. So let's try it out. I like that you can use the tip of this applicator sort of like a lip liner, and you can kind of just really draw out the shape you're going for. It's a really nice color. I really, really like it. I think just to finish off this makeup look, I'm going to add a bit of blush just so you can kind of tie it all together. This is the Tarte Quirky. This I also got in another IPSY GLAM bag, and it's quickly become one of my favorite blushes. I'm going to just apply a bit of this. Pretty. And I'm going to just touch up my hair and add some of my Nexxus Fine Mist finishing spray, and I'll be right back. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial as much as I did. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that notification bell. That way you can be notified when I'm uploading more videos. And until next time, remember to always create a life that you love.